Hello, my name is Sarah Cantor, and this is an overview of my Google Site digital portfolio. We begin with my personal information, such as my self-introduction here. It's all linked, pictures and everything. My resume is also in here, and I've added videos from this week. Here is my PowerPoint about myself. My overall tech skills, tools for education, tools for instruction. This is what I plan to use these for, Google Docs. Here is Google Slides application example. And I talk about Nearpod and how much I love the interactiveness of it. And here is an example of a Nearpod that I have put together about the life cycle of a plant. Here's an open-ended question. Can't see it. Where's the first part of the plant life cycle? Keep going. There's a poll, and so on. Here's my Screencast-O-Matic video. My tools for management is a Google form with a way to get feedback. Then there is my Google form. When I was born, why are you filling this out? Kinds of cool stuff. And here it is again, and copied and pasted itself. So you have two chances to take this. And then here is my Google site feedback. If you have any questions, please let me know.